The Edgar School District is proposing a non-recurring operational referendum on the April 5th, 2022 ballot. Let's start with some important facts. 1. This is a non-recurring operational referendum seeking $950,000 per year for 5 years. Through a survey, we heard that a non-recurring referendum was preferred by our community. 2. The tax mill rate impact is flat, meaning we project no increase in the school tax mill rate for this referendum. More on that later. Let's clarify those facts a bit more. First, a little bit about how schools are funded in Wisconsin. State equalization aid, money allocated to school districts from the state of Wisconsin, and local property taxes are the two primary sources of funding for schools. All Wisconsin school districts' revenue limits are controlled by the state. In the state revenue limit formula, state aid and property taxes combine to equal the revenue limit or the funding a school district has for 1 year. School boards cannot levy above their limit without voter approval. Here's the problem. Edgar's overall revenue limit has declined for several years, providing less funds for our schools. So, why not just decrease expenses? The short answer is that because we have declining enrollment, we have less revenue, and we have already cut positions and programs, and deferred maintenance projects. We are running out of options. And a decrease in enrollment doesn't easily equate to a one-to-one reduction in expenses. For example, a loss of 10 students could equate to a $100,000 loss in our revenue limit. But these 10 students are spread over grades 4K through 12. We cannot reduce staff or eliminate one bus route because enrollment is spread across 13 grades. At the same time, that revenue is declining. Fixed costs and basic expenses are increasing, and facility needs are being deferred. There is little left to cut. Let's go back to that important fact about a flat tax mill rate impact. In the revenue limit formula, state aid and local property taxes combine to equal the revenue limit. More state aid means less property taxes as a whole, not more money for schools. The limit remains. In the 2021-23 biennial state budget, the legislature allocated more school state aid. That provided lower property taxes. It did not provide more funds for schools. In 2021, the Edgar School District tax mill rate went down. Without an approved referendum in 2022, the tax mill rate will decline again. In effect, the referendum asks to keep the tax mill rate flat. An approved, non-recurring operational referendum will provide effective, up-to-date educational programs for students and will address deferred maintenance and future facility needs. If not approved, our district will have to make cuts that will sacrifice the core of educational programming, services, and staff. Voters are asked to cast an informed vote about the non-recurring operational referendum on the April 5th ballot. Please find out more on our website.